Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Today you are taking your quiz on vocabulary 2. You're gonna find first you're gonna do your attendance and then you're gonna find the video that I'm recording right now right here. Then you're gonna complete this activity. This activity is gonna take you here. You're going to complete this and then you're gonna post it on your Canvas page right here. Okay. And then you're gonna go to take the quiz. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna practice the Quizlet. But while we practice the Quizlet, you can actually do other things. For example, to be prepared, please be sure that you have your Spanish keyboard. We did that last class. We installed the Spanish keyboard for those who didn't have it, but if you still don't have it, please ask me so I can help you. It's very important that you connect, because if you don't connect, then I don't know you don't have this and I cannot do anything for you. So you need to do that, and then be sure that you know how to use it. To use it, let me show you. You actually can go to the frequent asked questions right here, and it says how I can make special characters. And actually I can put it, I'm going to put it right now on your class plan so you have it, and it's easier for you to access. So it's going to be in your class plan. So once you have everything ready, like you have any questions, you already asked me, I already answered, you already understood and all that, then you can proceed to practice the Quizlet. We are going to play Quizlet live for a few minutes, and right after that you are going to take your quiz. The quiz is a Google form. The quiz, you are going to start around 11:30, and then you're going to complete your quiz. And it has to be, if you are not in the class, then you need to have it done by 4. But it needs to be done at 4. Whatever comes after 4, I'm going to take 10% off from your grade. So keep that in mind. You need to complete your quiz during the class, preferably. And then if it doesn't happen, it has to be done during the day. All right, so here I put this, and I think we're all set for this. I wish you luck, and I'll see you during class. Adios.